What if I told you that your smartphone in your hand can become a crystal clear camera like mine for your Zoom calls, Skype meetings, and Google meeting without no extra gear? Let me show you how to do it in just a minute. If you look very well, you see closely, you see that I'm actually using my iPhone as my webcam. Let's do it. For you to get this software to turn so that you turn your phone into a webcam, all you have to do on your iPhone is go to this site, Iriun Camera. Just tap on it and tap on download. Come to your laptop, be it Windows or MacBook, be it whether it's running on Ubuntu, it's running on macOS, or running on Windows. Once you come to your site, type on iriun.com, go to your web browser. If you're using a Windows laptop, download this. If you're using a Mac laptop, you download this. If you're using Ubuntu, you download it. So I'm using Mac laptop, so I'm going to click on download. Now it has downloaded. So you can now open it. When you open it, install on your phone also. As you can see, I've already installed on my iPhone. So also installed on your MacBook. Click on install. Then just click on continue, 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 and install. Now, the installation is successfully. All you have to do is that make sure that you're connected to both networks. The iPhone is connected to the same network with your laptop, and make sure that you've cleaned your camera of your iPhone. Clean it properly to make sure that it's clear. Then tap on it, open it. Okay, my own is saying update. Let me update it. Then come to this place also and open the particular app, the Iriun Webcam. Click on it. Open on this one. Now both of them, as soon as both of them is connected to same network, you can see you now have your webcam. You can now use your laptop and your iPhone as a webcam, maybe in your Zoom meeting, whatever you're doing. As you can see, my own is crystal clear. So turn your phone into webcam without no extra gear. If you find this tip helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. Peace out.